Hello, how are you all? I hope all of you are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty, and I am also fine by His grace. And I am Shohag Mondol, and I am having my graduation in English Language and Literature at Borishal University. It's a public university of Bangladesh, and beside, I am an English teacher. I have been teaching English for 2 years over online and offline. So for corona pandemic I have launched online english private batch, and now I'm teaching more than 70 students over online in private way. So as english teacher, I think that I should discuss with all of you that how to improve your english skill. So for that reason, at first you have to know that why are you learning english, and why english why will you learn english. So you know English is an international language, and but the scenario of English education in Bangladesh are very pathetic. English have a compulsory subject for 12 years or more than 12 years, but 12 years, yes. But despite studying English as a compulsory subject, we cannot write English even 10 lines correctly. And when we are going to giving any viva or any presentation, or we are going to describe any situation in english, we don't know or we don't get any appropriate word, and we don't know how to make proper english sentence or how to make long english sentence. So uh, we are fall in impediment. English is one of the subject where students fail in board exam. The lack of knowledge of this English, the lack of knowledge of this English is hampering our professional as well as our personal life. So we cannot manage any good job for not having proficiency in English language. So most of the students cannot go abroad for their failure. So the scenario of rural areas of bangladesh is also horrible. Lack of teaching equipment and and skilled teachers has created a kind of fear in the mind of students, and is discouraging them study english. And if we want to do something in our life, then we will have to come out of the fear of the English language. So that's be remember, be remind that. So let's more discuss that why English is so important for every person. And today I will share with you about the top four reason that why English is so important. So number one is English is the language of international communication. English may not be the most spoken language in the world, but it is the official language of 53 countries and spoken by around 400 million people across the world in the globe. So being able to speak English is not just about being able to communicate with native English speakers. It is the most common second language in the world. And when you study english, you will be making friends with people from lots of different countries using english as a common language. And number two is english is the language of business. English is the dominant business language, and it has become almost a necessity for people to speak english if they are to enter a global workplace. Global companies airbus, fast retailing, nokia, samsung, and microsoft have mandated english as their official corporate language. So the importance of learning english in international marketplace cannot be understated. So learning english can change your life. And number three is speaking english give you access to world of entertainment. Many of the world top films, books, musics are published and produced in english. So therefore by learning english, you will have access to a great wealth of entertainment, and you will be able to have a great cultural understanding. So it is so important. And number four is learning English to give you access to more of the internet. English is the language of internet, and estimated 565 million people use internet every day in the world. And the estimated 52% of the world's most visited websites are displayed in the English language. So for that reason, if you want to do something in your life, if you want to shine in your life, you must have learned English. And now I will share with you how can you learn English and how to improve your English skill. You have to think first that when you were in child, yeah, when you were in child, you had to listen first, where you learn your mother tongue, and then you learn to speak, and after that you wrote and read. And English is just a language. So for that reason, everyone must listen first, and like you listen from motivational space. You can listen from English conversation in different way. You can hear this under a mentor. Then you have to learn speak, and you may have a conversation in English using different app over online. That's a way to become fluent. And that you have to learn some new vocabulary every day. Then you have to read any topics aloud and develop reading skill. After that you have to learn some writing technique, like how can you make long English sentence, and how can you make long the correct formation of English sentence. This way you can improve your English skill. So okay, thank you. That's all for today. I will share with you more details after another video. And I have decided from today that I will give you some English tutorial every day, so that you can learn English so easily from me. So thank you all of you for your patience sharing, and I hope that you have learned many things from this video. Please share this video and keep learning, and keep learning some new things every day, and keep practicing English. Okay, once again, thank you to all of you.